Assalamualaikum. Now question number 2, we are doing exercise 4b. Question number 2. Question number 2 says that find the LCM of the following numbers by finding the prime factors. Now this is one more method of finding the LCM by using the prime factors. The first one is 45, 75 and 125. So first you will find out the prime factors separately. The first one is 45. As their prime factors are required, so we will always use the prime numbers over here. Now starting with the smallest 2, but 2 is not divisible by 45, so we will take 3. How to check for the divisibility? We know that 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 comes in a table of 3. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. Then again 3 fives are 15. Then 5 ones are 5. Next number 75. Again start with the smallest. It is preferable to start with the smallest number. 3 twos are 6. 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. 5 fives are 25. And then 5 ones are 5. Then 125. 5 twos are 10. 2 carry, 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5. So what are the prime factors of 45? 3 into 3 into 5. Prime factors of 75 are 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factors of 125 are 5 into 5 into 5. Now when we are writing it, it is better that we write the common numbers below, like 3 below 3, 5 below 5, so it is easier for us to solve. Now prime factors of 45, 3 into 3 into 5. Prime factors of 75, 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factors of 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. Now as these 3 is common, so we are going to write this 3 one time. Then this 5 is common in all these 3 numbers, so we will write it one time. Then again this 5 is common in both these numbers, so we will write it one time. And then we will write 3 into 5. Again, first we will write up the common factors one time, and then the factors that are not common, that we are going to write. So 3 is common, we will write one time. 5 is common, we will write one time. Then 5 is common, we will write it one time, and then multiply by 3 and then multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and then 5. 15 15s is 225, and 225 multiplied by 5 is 1125. So the required LCM is 1125. Now second one is 45, 35, 49 and 91. Again you will find out the prime factors. 35, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Then again 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 7. 7 1s are 7, 2 carry, 7 3s are 21. Then 13 1s is 13, because 13 itself is a prime number. Now prime factors of 35 are 5 into 7. Prime factors of 49 are 7 into 7. Prime factors of 91 are 7 multiplied by 13. So first we will write out, when we are finding the LCM, we will write out the common multiples first. So what is common? 7 is common. We will write it one time, then 5, then 7, then into 13. Multiply this all together, we will get 3185. Now part 3 is 42, 48 and 56. First we will start with the smallest number 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Then 48, 2 twos are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then 56, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 7s are 14, then 7 1s are is 7. So the prime factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. Prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Prime factors of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. It's better or recommended to write 2 below 2, 3 below 3 and 7 below 7. Now over here we can see 2 is common in all these three numbers. So we will write it one time. Then 2 is common, we will write it one time. 3 is common, we will write it one time. 2 is common, we will write it one time. 7 is common, we will write it one time. Then the remaining multiples. So what are the remaining prime factors? It is 2, then you will write 2. Multiply this all together, we get 3, 3, 6. Fourth one is 28, 35, 56, 84. Again we start with the smallest number. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, 7 ones are 7. So 2, 2, 7 are the prime factors of 28. Then 35, 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7. 56, 2 twos are 4, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, 7 ones are 7. Then 84, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7. So the prime factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. 35, the prime factors are 7 into 5. 56, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 84, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 7 into 3. This 2 is common in all these three numbers factors. So you will write 2 one time, then we will write the 2 again one time. Then as 7 is common in all these three, we will write it one time. Then the remaining factors. So what are the remaining? 2, 5 and 3. So we will write 2, 5 and 3. Now multiply this all together, we get the LCM as 840, which is the required answer. Thank you.